So z is equals to cis theta is given. Okay. So given z is equals to cis theta. What is mean by cis theta? Cis theta is nothing but cos theta plus I sin theta. Cos theta plus I sin theta. Short form it is. So now take the LHS here. LHS is equals to z power 2n minus 1 divided by z power 2n plus 1. What is z? Write the z value. Okay. Z is nothing but cis theta whole to the power 2n whole power 2n minus 1 divided by z again. Okay. Z is nothing but cis theta whole power 2n plus 1. Okay, according to De Mor's theorem, this power, okay, we write in front of the theta. In front of the theta. Okay.
Theta.
So now this becomes this 2n theta. Okay, minus 1 divided by cis of 2n theta plus 1. Now expand the cis. Now expand the cis. Okay, what is
Cos
cis?
2n theta
Yes, cos 2n theta plus I
plus
sin
I
2n
2n
theta minus
theta
1 whole divided by cos 2n theta plus I
plus I
sin
sin
2n
2n
theta
theta
plus 1
plus 1.
plus 1. Okay, so
Rationalizing, sir.
now in this, I am writing these two together. Together. So that means minus 1 plus cos 2n theta plus I sin 2n theta whole divided by 1 plus cos 2n theta plus I sin 2n theta. Okay, in
Sir,
this,
separating real and imaginary parts.
real and imaginary parts separated. Okay, in this also, okay, so I am taking minus common in the first part. Taking minus common in the first part. So we get 1 minus, okay, so minus 1 becomes plus 1 plus cos 2n theta becomes minus cos 2n theta. Okay,
Okay, sir.
now we have the formula. Okay, so 1 minus cos 2 theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta, sin 2 theta. Okay, apply those. Okay, by applying sin 2 theta. By applying sin 2 theta is equals to 2 sin theta cos theta and 1 plus cos 2 theta is equals to 2 cos square theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta is equals to 2 sin square theta. 2 sin square theta. So just apply these. Apply these.
Okay, sir.
Okay, if you apply this.
Nine.
Okay, so this is equals to minus of 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. 2 sin square theta. Okay, so plus I into sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta is nothing but 2 sin theta. Okay, 1 minus cos. Okay, n theta here. 2 sin square n theta. Okay,
Yes.
2 sin n theta and cos n theta whole divided by 1 plus cos 2n theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta formula. Okay, that is 2 cos square. 2 cos square theta is n theta and plus I into 2 sin n theta cos n theta.
Cos n
Okay.
theta.
So in the numerator we have first term minus minus I am writing with I square, replacing -1 with I square, remaining as is. Okay, so 2 sine square n theta plus I into 2 sine n theta, 2 sine n theta cos n theta, whole divided by 2 cos square n theta plus I into 2 sine n theta and cos n theta. Okay, so now in the numerator and denominator, what is common? Take the common. Whatever it is common, 2 is common in both, I is common in both, and sine n theta also common in both, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is common in the numerator. Check the denominator part also. 2 is common and cos n theta is common. Okay,
That's it.
that's it. I is not common in both.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so write the remaining part as this. So we have more 1i and 2 and sine n theta is common. So one more sine n theta plus. Okay, so I is common, 2 is common, sine n theta common. Remaining is cos n theta. In the denominator, 2 common, cos n theta common. So remaining one more cos n theta plus I as it is, and 2 already common, cos n theta
Sin
common.
n
So we
theta.
get sine n theta. Once check the both. Check both the. Okay, so functions. These two are same. We can cancel. Okay, and the 2 also we can cancel. Okay, what is remaining? I is as it is. Sin by cos is tan. Sin by cos is tan. So tan n theta. Is it the required RHS?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so hence it is proved. Therefore, z power 2n minus 1 divided by z to the power 2n plus 1 is equals to I into tan n theta is the required answer. Okay.
Easy, sir.
Yes. So here, let I am taking A is equals to cis alpha, B is equals to cis beta, C is equal to cis gamma. So that means cis alpha is nothing but cos alpha plus I sin alpha, cos beta plus I sin beta. Okay, so this is cos gamma plus I sin gamma. Okay, and one more thing here. Okay, so these are ABC values. These are ABC values. Then 1 by A. 1 by A value is 1 by cos alpha plus I sin alpha. Okay, so then it becomes negative cos alpha minus I sin alpha. Okay, 1 by B is cos alpha minus cos beta minus I sin beta. Okay, and 1 by C value becomes cos gamma minus I sin gamma. I sin gamma. Okay, by rationalizing we get. Okay, so now I am taking A plus B plus C. Find the value of A plus B plus C. A value that is cos alpha plus I sin alpha. B is cos beta plus I sin beta. Okay, and C is cos gamma plus I sin gamma. I sin gamma. Separate the real part and imaginary part. Real part is cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma. Cos gamma. Okay, take I common. If you take I common, then sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma. Sin gamma. Okay, so now here already it is given in the question. Cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma is equals to sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma is equals to 0.
Zero.
So by substituting that, this is 0 plus I into this is also 0. Okay, so 0 plus 0 is 0 only. Okay, now I am taking, okay, squaring on both sides. If we square on both sides, if we square on both sides, what we get? A plus B plus C whole square is equals to 0 square. Okay, A plus B plus C whole square. What is the formula for A plus B plus C whole square? Okay, direct to normal
Square
formula. A
plus B
square plus
square
B
plus
square
C
plus C
square
square.
plus 2AB
Good,
plus 2BC
good.
plus 2AC.
Yes. Okay, is equal to 0 square is 0 only. Okay, so now A square plus B square plus C square is equals. Take all these terms to that side. Okay, then we get minus. All the terms becomes minus. In all these terms,
Minus 2 is common.
yes, you can take minus 2 common. So AB plus BC plus C. Okay, now okay, this in this A square plus B square plus C square is equals to multiply and divide by the 2ABC. Multiply and divide by the 2ABC. Minus 2 multiplying by ABC outside and dividing by ABC inside. Okay, so then what we get? This is equal to minus 2ABC as it is. Okay, then we get AB by ABC plus BC divided by ABC plus CA divided by ABC. Okay, so in this C and A gets cancelled here, AB cancel here, BC gets cancelled. Okay, write the remaining. Okay, this is equal to minus 2ABC into 1 by C plus 1 by A plus 1 by B. Okay, so already we have the values of 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C. Okay, so write those values. Okay, this is equal to minus 2ABC into, already we did A plus B plus C, right? A plus B plus
Yes.
C is equal to 0. Similarly, 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C values also equal to 0 only. Okay, just for confirmation, we'll substitute. Okay, so 1 by C we have first. So cos gamma minus I sin gamma. Okay, so next plus cos 1 by A we have, so cos alpha minus I sin alpha. Then 1 by B we have cos beta minus I sin beta. Okay, so now this is equals to minus 2ABC into, so write the real part separately, imaginary part separately. Cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma separately. Okay, minus I common. Then we get minus I into sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma. Okay, so already we have the value cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma, sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma. So the values are equal to 0. Okay, so this is 0 minus I into 0. That means 0 minus 0, everything is 0. So we get 0. So what we are getting finally, A square plus B square plus C square is equals to 0. Okay, what are ABC values? ABC is nothing but either you can write cis alpha, cis beta, cis gamma, or okay, so full form. Okay, so now I am substituting here. A square plus B square plus C square is equals to 0. Okay, so A value, what is A? A is nothing but cis alpha, right? The value of A is cis alpha. So cis alpha whole square plus cis beta whole square plus cis gamma whole square is equals to 0. The power becomes coefficient according to De Moivre's theorem. Write the power as a coefficient. Write the power as coefficient in front of the theta. Okay. Now we get cis 2 alpha plus cis 2 beta plus cis 2 gamma is equals to 0. Now separate it. Okay, so expanding cos 2 alpha plus I sin 2 alpha. Okay, next one is, tell me first, cos 2 beta plus I sin 2 beta. Fast.
Plus cos 2 gamma
Yes. Cos 2
plus
gamma,
I sin 2 gamma.
I sin 2 gamma is equal to 0. Now we separate the real and imaginary parts. Tell me, Ashish, you also. Okay, cos 2 alpha is real and cos 2 beta
Cos
is
2
real.
beta, cos 2 gamma.
Cos 2 gamma also real. Okay, all these are the real. Take
Plus
I common,
I.
then yes, I is common.
Sin 2 alpha, sin 2 beta plus sin 2 gamma.
Sin 2 alpha plus
Sin 2 beta
2 beta plus
plus sin 2 gamma.
sin 2 gamma
Gamma.
is equals to 0. I am writing as 0 plus I into 0. Can we write?
Yes, sir.
By comparing the real parts. Comparing real parts.
Cos 2
Okay.
alpha plus cos 2 beta plus cos 2 gamma equals to 0.
Cos 2 alpha, cos 2 beta, cos 2 gamma is equals to 0. Here cos 2 theta formula, we have the cos 2 theta formula. Cos 2 theta is equals to 2 cos square theta minus 1 is the
Minus
formula,
1.
right? Apply that
Yes,
formula.
sir.
Okay, so 2 cos square alpha minus 1 plus 2 cos square beta minus 1 plus 2 cos square gamma minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so now, okay, so this becomes 2 cos square alpha plus 2 cos square beta plus 2
Plus 2
cos
cos square
square
gamma.
gamma
Minus 3.
minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3. Take to right side, it becomes plus 3. Okay,
It will be 3 by 2.
take 2 common, then 2 into cos square alpha, cos square beta and cos square gamma is equal to 3. Okay, so now cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equals to 3 by 2. Take it as equation number 1. Understood? Now here
Yes,
we
sir.
have two ways. Okay, we want the same answer in terms of sign. Okay, we have two ways for getting this. Okay, so one is from here we can find out.
By comparing imaginary part.
No, not by comparing imaginary parts. Okay. In this only we apply the. Okay, so 1 minus 2 sine square formula. Otherwise, here we apply the identity. Okay, we have the formula sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Identity.
Yes, sir.
Okay, from this, what is the cos square theta? 1 minus
1
sine
minus
square
sin square theta.
So substitute that 1 minus sine square alpha, 1 minus sine square beta, 1 minus sine square gamma is equals to 3 by 2. Okay, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Okay, 3 and minus sine square beta minus sine square gamma, send them to that side and 3 by 2 this side. Okay, so then we get minus 3 by 2 is equals to plus sine square alpha plus sine square beta plus sine square gamma. Okay, so take LCM is 2. So 2 3 is 6 minus 3. Okay, so 6 minus 3 is 3 by 2. This is the value of sine square alpha, sine square beta and sine square gamma. Okay. So here sine square alpha plus sine square beta plus sine square gamma is equals to 3 by 2. Take it as equation number 1. So from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and equation 2. Okay. What we get from equation 1 and 2? Both are equal to 3 by 2. You can write them together. Sine square and cos square terms are equal to 3 by 2. So you can write cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equals to 3 by 2. That is also equal to sine square alpha plus sine square beta plus sine square gamma. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts, Ashish, Sanchana?
No
No,
doubts,
sir.
Okay, very good, very good.